All right, guys, so today I'm gonna try to figure out why my Losi doesn't work anymore. So I got this like a year ago as a little Father's Day Christmas present.
What did he say?
I got rid of all my big RC cars because they take up so much space. My daughter's got me this tiny little one, and it's so sick. It's got like a full suspension on it with like gas shocks. It's really cool. And you can just drive around the house. I tried to use it the other day on a live stream and it wouldn't work. Tried to turn it on and it does nothing. Wouldn't pair, wouldn't sync up. And so I thought, you know what? Maybe it just needs a new battery. So that's what I did. I replaced the batteries in the controller, didn't fix it. So now I'm going to replace the battery in the actual little micro Losi. First thing we can do is take this cover off. And now the next thing is I got a T5. So I noticed there's a couple of little screws here. So I'm gonna start taking these little tiny screws out. Unplug the battery here. There you go. So I got that unplugged. And now I should be able to just like that. That was nice and easy. So it is a 2S, 350 milliamp hour at 7.4 volts. So there it is. So now what I want to do is I want to test it to see what the voltage is at. See if it's close to 7.4. Watch it be 7.4. All right, put it on DC voltage. All right, so I can get the terminals in here. Just gonna use these little tiny pieces of wire. Yeah, so it looks like it's at 2 volts. Here's the new one. Exact same battery. So let's put this bad boy in there. I guess we should probably check the voltage on this one, huh? .4. So that's good. So we should be able to just plug this bad boy back in. Tuck that wire out of the way. Tuck these wires over here. Put our screw back in. And we should be good to go. Just like that. That battery didn't last that long. Luckily, it wasn't terribly expensive, so I got it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It was only like $8. Not too expensive for you. Regular LiPo batteries go for ridiculously expensive. I was fully expecting this to be quite pricey, but like I said, it was only, I think it was $8. Okay, so let's see if it pairs up now. Oh, it beeped. It hasn't beeped before. Oh yeah. We're good to go. That's all I needed. New battery. Now let me show you this thing ripping around.